You've almost made it. You are in the last section of lessons 1 and 2. Way to go. All right, now we've taken everything we've practiced and we're going just a titch bigger. So we are going to take 214. Now notice that we moved to the hundreds place. So nothing really has changed. We're just going to break it down a little bit further. So we have 200. Now I'm going to go to the tens place. I have 1 10, so that means I have 10, and then I have 4 ones. And we're going to multiply this whole thing by 3. Now 3 times 4, double click, 12. 3 times 10 is 30. And 3 times 2 is 6, and then I'm going to bring down those 2 zeros, 600. Okay, now you need to write down all 3 of those so we can add them together. So I have 600 plus 30 plus 12. 2 plus 0 is 2. 1 plus 3 plus 0 is 4. And 6 plus nothing is 6. So I have 642. All right, let's do the next one. Here we have 315 times 2. So I'm going to break up my 300 plus 10 plus 5 times 2. So always start with the smallest ones. Later it will be really useful if you start with the smaller ones because you'll see how it connects to the algorithm that we use in 5th grade really well, and that probably the algorithm that you learned even in 3rd grade and 4th grade. So 2 times 5 is 10. 2 times 10 is 20. And 2 times 3 is 6. Let's bring down our 2 zeros. So we have 600 plus 20 plus 10. I'm going to write that down. 0 plus 0 plus 0. 0. 1 plus 2 plus 0 is 3. 6 plus nothing is 6. So we have 6, 3, 0. All right. You are so close. Go ahead and finish the slides. There's only a few more of them. And then you'll get to see this slide. And after you have completed this, now you're going to take quiz A. If you get to 100%, then you're going to move on to lesson 3 and 4. If you did not get 100%, then you need to make sure you talk with your teacher because they are going to want you to do part of this again, and maybe they will want to do some one-on-one with you. So, well done. Stick with it. You are almost there.